Affiliate marketing and working from home. Many of us aspire to be our own boss. The allure of huge bucks and flexible work hours is strong. Many people, though, are hesitant to venture out on their own. They are concerned that they lack the necessary funds to start a business or that they will lose the stability of their day job if they do. Starting a home business could be the answer. The truth is that you may start your home business with absolutely minimal money. Is there a spare room or area in your property that you could use? Do you have access to the internet via a computer? Have you got a phone line? If you have these 3 items, you are in good shape. Affiliate marketing can be a terrific method to get your home business off the ground. You will be able to sell either a product or a service through affiliate marketing. With limited resources and space, you may choose to focus on services. After you've made your decision, you'll need to assess your abilities. What services do you have to provide and what expertise do you have to give? Many people begin by participating in affiliate marketing programs offered by the main search engines. You might register your page with someone like Yahoo Publisher if you're competent at website design. With the help of the search engine Yahoo, your site will gain visitors in this manner. If you have a sales website, higher traffic could mean more sales. You might also attempt to drive traffic to other websites. On retail websites like Amazon and eBay, affiliate marketing programs are accessible. If you can increase traffic and sales, you can make money. Both programs provide money-making opportunities through the usage of links and blogs. These are frequently offered for free and should be taken advantage of. It's important to remember that the more money you make, the more money they make. Finally, your website may be able to generate revenue in various ways. There will be advertisements when it is put on sites like Yahoo Publisher or Google AdSense. You earn money every time a visitor clicks on an ad. The more clicks you make, the more money you earn. All advertising expenditures and placement are handled by the operators. They also make an effort to insert relevant advertisements on your page. Ads for fish food are unlikely to get clicked if you're selling rare books. If you want to start working for yourself but don't think you have enough money, you're mistaken. Stop making excuses and do it if you're weary of your job and want to work for yourself. You will discover that starting a home business is easier than you think by using affiliate marketing programs and selling services. To achieve, all you need is time and dedication. You may generate money and enhance your marketing skills by taking advantage of the affiliate marketing programs that are currently available. Remember that you can always branch out into other areas and go it alone later. Get promoting and clicking right now. You already have everything you need if you have a computer and a place to put it. Start and run your own home business now. Why wait? Check out the links below in the description for some suggestions that will save you a ton of time on getting started on your journey.